Hello, real estate flipper here. I am doing a real quick review on this resistor block. This is for a Ford F-150. They do fit different models, so get the one that works for you. But here's the diagnosis and what's going on with this. This is a 2013. They are all very similar because this is the location. I'm going to show you where it goes. I'm going to tell you a couple things in this short video that you are not going to see in the listing and that's going to help you diagnose a problem. Real quick, my daughter says, air conditioner's not working. Uh-oh. We know air conditioners are expensive. Well, I come out and I check it. Turns out the fan isn't blowing. Okay, that's great because fan is just an electric motor with some relays and fuses. Pretty simple stuff. I find out it's not the fan. What I do find out after fiddling around under the dash here, which is where it is, and by the way, your glove box pulls down with just these two tabs on each side. You bend them in right here, and it lets it release and hang down and access this stuff. I found that it was a connection under here at this resistor block right here, and I rigged it for a couple days so she could drive in the heat by putting a rag behind it and forcing the wires out, and thus basically tightening the connection. So tap on the fan. They do go bad, and it's just an electric motor. And if you tap on the fan and it works, it's probably the fan. That comes out with 3 bolts very easily. It's very easy to test and see if it's working. Replacement fans are easy to put in, and they're inexpensive. If it's not that, it could be the resistor block, which is an electronic piece that goes bad, or these, here's the key. These are known to melt. These plugs will, this obviously, as you can see with this giant heat sink on it, it gets hot. They melt. Now, if you look down in there, you can see that plug on the left, that brown. If this were in good focus, you could see that the plastic is actually melted. So that little contact has become loose. And so it messed up the whole plug. So the plug is loose. Sometimes I think these get hot enough to where you actually have to replace the plug also. And it's for heavy wires going into it. But it's super easy to replace. It goes right in that hole right there. I'll show you. The plug side, of course, goes down. Whoop, there we are. But just fits in that hole, that square hole. 2 bolts, easy to get in, easy to get out. Those are the bolts you're looking at. They're 8mm head, which is a 5/16. You just need a little ratchet. It takes 2 minutes to get them out because they're not a lot of access, and that's that. Watch for that plug. Just move it around, jiggle it, take it out, examine it closely. Funny thing, all the components work, bad plug. Who would have thought?